Ever wondered how people make money trading currencies, even from their phones? In this video, I'll show you how Forex trading really works, and I'll break it down for you in simple terms. Welcome to X Traders, your go-to channel for Forex, investing, and financial freedom. Let's break it down. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the global market where people buy and sell currencies like the US dollar, euro, British pound, and many others. Imagine this. You buy 100 US dollars with Nigerian naira. If the value of the dollar goes up, you can sell it later for a profit. That's how Forex trading works. Buying low and selling high, or even selling high and buying low. Trades happen in what are called currency pairs, like Euro-dollar or GBP-JPY. The first currency is what you're buying, and the second is what you're selling. For example, if you trade euros per US dollars, you're buying euros and selling US dollars. To place these trades, traders use platforms like MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, also called MT4 and MT5. These platforms show live charts, real-time prices, and tools that help traders make informed decisions. You can start small, sometimes with just $10 to $50. But remember, Forex trading carries risk. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need knowledge, patience, and a solid strategy to succeed. In future videos, I'll show you how to open a trading account, how to use MT4, and even how to build your first trading strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to X Traders, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Next up, how to open a real Forex trading account.